In this video, I'm going to show you how to set a new car goal in Origin Financial. Let's get started. Go to the spending section from the main navigation menu. Then click on Breakdown and Budget to open your budgeting tools. Once you're on this page, select the Budget tab at the top so you can manage your existing budget plans and savings categories. Next, click on Edit Budget. Scroll all the way down until you see the Add Custom Category option. Then click on it to create a category specifically for your future car savings. Enter Car Fund as the category name. Then choose any icon and color you want so it stands out clearly inside your budget list. After that, click Create Category to save the new category. Once the Car Fund category appears in your budget, click the plus button and choose Set a Budget. Select the Car Fund category you just created, then enter the amount you want to save regularly toward buying a new car. This could be your monthly target or your planned contribution amount based on your savings goal. After entering the amount, click Save. Your new car goal is now added into your Origin budget, and the platform will start tracking how much you're setting aside for that purchase over time. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.